All right, so recap. 3 minutes to open. Okay, so we have the teenagers low right there, 45. We believe the market so far is going to take it, and it's on its way to 18 by way of 39 and 33. Okay, so the overall market direction is sideways, so we're not expecting a clean cut through any of these supports because the overall market direction is sideways. Big time chop. There is a lot of traders that believe that this move down, they have no idea. For half the traders in the world, this is a pullback in an uptrend, and for the other half, it's a rally in a downtrend. This one right here, the other one, is a rally in a downtrend, and that's where we are at right now. So we need to know the future. Day trading is all about knowing the future. You don't know the future, meaning you don't know exactly where the price is going. You don't have an edge. You're gonna hear that for the parakeets and the fake traders that don't trade the future. Don't trade what you think. All right, let's do it. Okay, so 39. That's pretty good, right? Break of 45, 46. We were expecting not that beautiful break, but we know exactly where the market is going. It's going to 33 by way of 39. It's going to hang around here a little bit. Eventually it's going to break it until I tell you different, that there is a change of hat. Market decided to go up, whatever. Until then, we're going to let it ride past breaking 33 and a continuation all the way to 18. Okay, that's our job. That's to the tick, right? 33, 32. We know that the overall market direction is sideways. This is a bounce, right? So remember, not only we need to know what the price is going to do, but how it's going to do it. And we knew that there was going to be a bounce right there off of 32, right? We knew it half an hour ago, right? So take profit, counter trend. Not an official counter trend because it's not a target, remember. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 18, okay? Let it ride. If you're taking profits in the meantime, it's okay because the overall market direction is sideways. And we weren't expecting this beautiful break, all right? But you have to leave some ammunition all the way to 18 unless I tell you otherwise. So this is exactly, ladies and gentlemen, what we mean when we say the overall market direction is sideways. It's not going on a straight line, right? And that's why we're trailing, taking profit. Let's see what's really going on. So we wanted 18 and the price only went to 28. So that's 10 points that more that we wanted. It's okay. We know the price is going to continue going down since 9 a.m., right? 63. All right, so we're short 63, and we wanted to go all the way to 18. We only went to 28. Oh, okay. All right. That's only 35 points. What can I say? All right, let's continue. It's very important to know that the overall market direction is still sideways. Okay, this is not going anywhere past any of our strong support lines of and areas of support and resistance. So we knew that this 32, 33 was going to be a bounce. Those of you who, I told you, we can counter trend it because it's not going to cut through it. Those of you who counter trend it, we made 35 points on the way down and we just made 35 points on the way up. When I told you counter, it's okay to counter trend right there, long, right? It's going down. We made 35 points on the way down, 35 points on the way up, testing the initial entry, and we're going to be there for a while. Remember, We're not expecting the price taking any other key levels. Oh my God, but that's 35 points in 35 seconds, man. I know. It kind of doesn't get any stronger than that. So some, there is a lot of retail traders burn, hurting, real bad. All right, so we know it's going to stop there, 63 a little bit. Then we have 68 and 75, and I'm not expecting the price to destroy 75, even though this buying frenzy is as strong as it gets, right? All right. So let's see if it's true or it's just the smart money being vicious today and they want to destroy every single little day trading educator. All of those that has academies, day trading academies. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 75 approaching, and let's see what's the real resistance, right? We have real resistance. We have 80, right, by way of, and let's see what's the target. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the target is 91 by way of 80. Okay. Beautifully taking, not beautifully, but okay, taking 80, target 91, and remember we have the cycle level right there at 900, of course. All right. Okay, so we need to know exactly where the market is going, but more importantly, how it's going to get there. So momentum takes our 80, 3-4 points. Nothing, it cannot continue, and we know that, right? We knew it at 32, 33, we knew it, and look at the bounce, and bam, look at the recoil off of 89. So those of you who are strong, disciplined traders and follow the rules of our system, you know that you can short 80 and above. You know it's going to 91, that's the target, but take advantage of the temporary pullback. Boom. So with that strength, 80, 81, 82, 81, 82, short, 83, short, immediately right back to 75, that's 6, 7, 8 points, and you know what's going to happen next. It's the only way that you can manage your position. Okay, so this is exactly what we mean when we say not only we need to know where the price is going, but how it's going to get there. That's exactly what we mean. Look at that beautiful recoil off of 80, right? 80, 81, 82, momentum takes 81, and then boom, right back down to 70. That's 10 points from 80. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're right back to our gauge, remember? 68. All right. So we have a range now, the key level 68 and our original entry, starting point 63. That's an area now of support. Okay? So our job, if the smart money is really vicious and it takes it, it's for us. Now we need to, if we believe that the price is going to continue going to 91, then we're going to look for support. Where's support? Right there, 63, 68. Well, CAPI, if it takes 63, man, oh my God, we are counter trend short from 80, 81, 82. So manage that position and know that we still believe that the price is going to continue going to 91 and a straight line. No, since 9 a.m. we know that the overall market direction is sideways, which is one of the most important key elements that we need to know. All right. Okay, my friends, 47 right here. This is real. This is support, of course. You know, the real support is 47. Okay, it's 47. Okay, 47. Right here. This is real support. What the hell does that mean? Above 47, we are counting on a bounce and eventually continuation to our 91. The taking of this low right here, that's the real low support, then bears take back control. Yes, in our humble opinion, yes it is, all the way to 91. Ladies and gentlemen, that's pretty close to our 91. We're gonna make it a range on 91.93, and of course we still want to go to 909 by way of the teenagers psychological level 900. Everybody knows 900, right? Is that 91? Is that 91, 93? Remember that we made it a range. Those of you who waited for 93 to counter trend short, and you're doing pretty, okay. It's a counter. Remember that we want to let it ride all the way to 909 by way of 900. So very well, ladies and gentlemen. I believe that's 909. And look at the counter trend short. So we made 35 points on the way down. We knew exactly where to get in, where the price was going. We knew exactly how to and where to counter trend. We made 45 points on the way up, almost 50 points. And we let it ride all the way to 909, since I've been telling you all day long, let it ride to 909, past 900. It'll go to 909. It went to 910. And then we're going to counter trend it. Boom. That's 12 points. Ladies and gentlemen, if it's not live, it's not real. If you're going to follow anybody on the internet, they need to tell you live, real time, as is happening, exactly where the price is going and what to do about it. If it's not live, it's not real. That's all there is to it. Okay? There are a lot. If it's not live, it's not real. Okay? Anything else can be truncated. Anything else can be faked. And it is.